Hey guys, before I start this video, I just wanted to let you guys know that I was a little bit sick when I was filming this video originally. I'm not sick anymore, but I just wanted to let you guys know, so if I sound a little bit tired, don't worry about it, it's fine. Anyways, hope you enjoy the video. Wow. It has been a while. It has been quite a while since the last Train Show Finds episode. I'm not really quite sure what happened to the series, but it's back, so let's go ahead and unbox what we have here. So, I headed to a train show in New Braunfels this Sunday, and it was the most nostalgic day ever. I had a blast with all my friends, and we got a ton of stuff while we were there. And this is my haul. It's nothing too big, but we're gonna go ahead and unbox this for the grand reopening of the Train Show Finds series. So I'm hoping to make a lot more Train Show Finds episodes, maybe when I go to train shows in the future. But for now, let's go ahead and do episode 2. First bag. This is for the layout. I'm not sure if the layout update will be uploaded by the time this video comes out. I'm hoping it is, but we got a diner. Like I said, I wanted this for the city part, and as you can see, it's pretty good. Let's go ahead and add that onto the city portion. That looks pretty good. You gotta fix this part of the sign. I think it's right, goes right there, yeah. Something like that. Nothing too big, but you can see I wanted a diner, and I've got one, so that's awesome. Now, back to the unboxing. Now, this is only the start to the huge haul I got, so keep watching if you want to see some awesome stuff. Now, moving on to the second bag. I've actually forgotten what this is. It's another building. This is a small little house. I'm gonna put this somewhere on the layout. I think around the residential part. By residential, I mean the start of it. So, yeah, that's pretty good. Moving on to the third bag. We've got 2 BN boxcars. These are in pretty good shape. I got 3 of these for, I think, 15 bucks. Let me think. I think it was 20 bucks. I'm not quite sure. I don't remember. And we've also got a Southern open hopper. Pretty nice. Now, second to last bag. I saved the best for last, but let's go ahead and look at the second. We've got a locomotive. A Southern Pacific SD45. Kato. It's DC. And I picked it up for 75 bucks. Which is originally $92. I got a discount. Ooh, look at that. That's fresh. Ooh, that is nice. The horn is red. I've never seen that before. Wow, that detailing is very nice. I really like this. Doesn't have the SP specs on the nose. Doesn't have the rear headlight configuration, but it's a locomotive and it's pretty good. Now, last but not least, the Mega Haul. This was the highlight of the show. There were people selling a bunch of awesome looking rolling stock, and you could get 10. You could get 5, sorry. 5 for 20 bucks. And I had 40 bucks. So I got 10 pieces of rolling stock, plus the 3 that I got, because it was from the same stand. So, up first, we got a Santa Fe boxcar. Looks pretty good. Got a automated railway UP boxcar. Looks awesome. And ooh, look at that. Custom weathered boxcar right here. Looks flawless. We've got a Santa Fe open hopper. With coal loads, that looks nice. Another BN boxcar. Southern Railway boxcar. Ooh, custom weathered Burlington boxcar. That looks really nice. Oh, that's gonna look awesome running. Got a Erie Lackawanna Open hopper. Custom weathered UP boxcar. That looks awesome too. And finally, another Santa Fe boxcar. Bringing this haul to 13 rail cars. 13 new rail cars for the layout. That is amazing. Probably the best haul so far. This definitely tops the Temple haul. Oh. So, I know what you're thinking. Can we run all these on a train? Yes! Now, right before we set up that consist, let's go ahead and test out the SP-SD45. Seems to run really nice. We're gonna go ahead and pair it up with my Rio Grande SD45. Looks nice. Look at that. That's a consist, all right. It doesn't even fit on the first main part of the track. And we are now starting a collection of ATSF boxcars. To end it off, here are some of the rail cars I bought all organized. Looking pretty nice. We've also got some of the buildings placed around. I'm not going to spoil too much because I have to do something for the next layout update. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you guys next time in another model railroading video. So, I'll see you guys around, and hopefully we can do more videos like this next time. See ya!